Okay, children, see the question number 1 of exercise 3.1. Aftab tells his daughters, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. Also, 3 years from now, I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. Represent this situation algebraically and graphically. See, children, how will we solve this question? Let the Aftab's percentage equal x years and his daughter's percentage equal y years. Then, according to question, the first condition is given. Aftab tells his daughters, 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you were then. 7 years ago, Aftab's age will be what? X minus 7. And the daughter's age before 7 years will be y minus 7. Both can't be equal. दोनों क्या आपस में बराबर हो सकते हैं? नहीं. फादर हमेशा डॉटर से बड़ा ही होगा. तो हाउ मच टाइम ही इज़ ग्रेटर देन हिज डॉटर? गिवन 7 times. So we should multiply 7 in daughter's age. So we'll write here 7. कुछ बच्चे क्या करते हैं? 7 का मल्टीप्लिकेशन फादर्स के एज में ही कर देते हैं. तो उससे क्या होगा? फादर की एज पहले से ज़्यादा है डॉटर से, एंड इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाई 7 इन फादर्स एज, देन फादर विल बिकम मोर greater than daughter. So this condition will not equal. So will not write the equal signs here. So our equation will be wrong. So remember that you should multiply 7 in daughter's age. Now you can say the condition is satisfied here. Here x minus 7 is equal to 7 into y minus 7. Let us simplify this situation or equation. Will get x minus 7 equal 7y minus 7 7 ja 49. Now 7y will come in the left hand side and we'll write here x minus 7y, and this minus 7 will go in the right hand side and become minus 7 become plus 7. So we'll write minus 49 plus 7. Now simplify this. We'll get x minus 7y equal minus 49 plus 7 minus plus minus 49 minus 7 will get 42, and sign will always comes of the greater number. Greater number is 49 and the sign is given here minus. So it will become minus. So this is the first equation which we got from the condition given in the question. Now see the second condition. There is given 3 years from now. 3 years from now means after 3 years. So after 3 years, Aftab's age will be Aftab's age will be x plus 3, and his daughter's age will be y plus 3. दोनों की एज आपस में बराबर हो सकती है क्या? नहीं. यदि आप यहाँ पे इक्वल का साइन लगा रहे, इट मीन्स दिस इज आवर इक्वेशन विच विल बी नॉट करेक्ट. सो वी शुड करेक्ट दिस इक्वेशन. व्हाट इज द कंडीशन? आफ्टर 3 years I shall be 3 times as old as you. It means father will become 3 times greater than his daughter. So we'll multiply 3 in daughter's age. Now this is the correct equation. Now simplify this equation. We'll get x plus 3 equal 3y plus 3 is 9. Now 3y will comes in the left hand side and we'll get x minus 3y, and in right hand side 9 plus 3 will go in the right hand side and become minus 3, and after simplification we will get x minus 3y, 9 minus 3 equals 6. This is the equation number 2. Okay, now half of the part of the question has been done. What is the question? Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. So algebraically we have done here. This is called the algebraical representation. Algebraically means we have to simplify the situation in the form of equation. That is called the algebraically representation. Now we will learn how to represent the above two equations graphically. For this we required one graph paper, and first of all we will draw the xy plane. As we know that on the x-axis on the right side we will take plus x, and then the left side will take minus x, and on y-axis on upper side will take plus y, and downward will take minus y. Children, this is our first equation, x minus 7y equal minus 42. Now we have to represent this equation graphically. Okay, for that, as you know that to draw any graph or any line we require minimum 2 points. So for that we take at least 2 points or more than 2 points. So I have taken here 3 points. Suppose I am taking x is equal 7. So if I'll take x equal 7, so I will put my value here x equals 7, and after simplification plus 7 will transpose in the right hand side minus 42, and minus 7 minus 49. Again here minus 7y minus 1 will cancelled, and 49 by 7 will get, and we will get the value of y 7. Similarly, if I'll get x equals 0, then we get here minus 7y equal minus 42. Then again minus cancelled, and y equal 42 upon 7. So 7 6 are 42. So y's value is 6. If we will take x equal 0, then we will get y equal 6. So we got here 2 points. I have taken one more point here. Suppose I am taking x equal minus 7, then minus 7 will go right hand side minus 42 plus 7 minus 42 and plus 7 minus 35. Then again minus sign cancel, and y equal 35 by 7. It means 7 5 are 35. In this way we'll get x equal minus 7 and y equal 5. So I got 3 points for equation 1. Now what will we do here? We locate all 3 points on the graph. First we locate 7 7. So x equal plus 7. So we'll start from 0 origin. So we'll go right hand side and reach here up to 7. And 2 4 6, this is the 7. I have taken 1 unit equal 2. So here is the 7, and then y equal also 7. Then we'll go upward 2 4 6, and this is 7. So this is the first point, that is 7 7. Now we'll take second point 0 6. We'll start from 0. So this is the value of x equal 0. So x equal 0 and y equal 6. So we'll plus 6 mean we have to go upward on the y axis. 2, 4, 6. This is our second point, that is 0, 6. Now we'll locate third point. Third point is minus 7 plus 5. So first we'll go on x-axis. We'll start from 0, 0 origin. Minus 7, so we have to proceed left side. Minus 2, minus 4, minus 6, and this is the minus 7. And plus 5 means we have to go upward. This is 2, 4, and this is the 5. So this is the representation of minus 7, 5. Now children, what will we do? We join all 3 points and make a line here. So this is the graphically representation of the equation 1. Similar way we represent this second equation on the graph paper. Okay, for that again we required here minimum 2 points. So I have taken x equals 6. So after simplification we'll get y equals 0. 6 goes to the right side. 6 minus 6, 0. Minus 3y equals 0. So y equals 0. Similarly, if I'll take x equals 3, plus 3 goes to right hand side. 6 minus 3, 3, and y equals 3 upon minus 3. So we'll get 3 1 ja 3, minus 1. And if we'll take x equals 0, then we'll get minus 3y equal 6. So y equal 3 2 ja 6 and minus 2. Now these are the points for equation number 2. Now we'll locate this point on the xy plane. Okay, now the first point is 6 0. So again we'll start from origin. Here given the value of x is plus 6. So we'll proceed right hand side. 2, 4, 6. Now y equals 0. So we don't need to move from here. So this is the representation of 60.60 located here. Now we'll take second point, 3 minus 1. X equal plus 3. So we'll go right hand side on the x-axis, 2, and this is the 3. And y minus 1. So minus on the y-axis we have to move downwards. So this is the minus 2. So this will the minus 1. So this is the point 3 1. 3 minus 1. Okay, in a similar way we can locate the third point 0 minus 2. So we'll start from origin. So this is x coordinate 0. So we'll start from here 0 and the y coordinate is minus 2. So we have to proceed downward because the value of y is negative. So we'll go downward. This is the minus 2. Now this is our required point 0 minus 2. Now we join all these 3 points and this line is the graphical representation of the equation 2. So that this is the graphical representation of the given condition in the question. So students, in this way we represent any situation in given question by graphical way. Thank you.